Media don't bring another Ogbonge program come to una again. Inside Edo, this one an Ogbonge program where they shine better light on top all the things where they share for all the corner where they Edo State. Inside Edo, na Ogbonge program where they open una eye on top what they share for education, sports, health, agriculture, infrastructure, and even politics. So get all these Ogbonge updates where they have on top what they share for inside Edo. Make you carry your phone, go YouTube, pim, search for T Live Media, comment, like, and subscribe to all our videos. You firstly put on the notification bell so they get the update as they hot. Make you not think say now only YouTube today. You firstly like and follow us on top Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter so they get all our uploads. You firstly log on to www.tlivemedia.com. T Live Media, purely video.
On top of our Ogbonge program, we bring una better informate on top NAFEST 2019. On top the many gbaradi wey don dey shele for Edo State. On top the National Festival for Art 2019. The one where Edo State na im get the hosting rights to carry join body 35 states for Nigeria with Federal Capital Territory Abuja. With other better countries for the world, na this one na im come make T Live Media Naija una Ogbonge station stand put for the office of the Commissioner for Arts, Culture, Tourism and Diaspora Affairs for Edo State, Honorable Osaze Osewinge Ero, to get Ogbonge and sharp informate on top how NAFEST 2019 go take waka and how Edo State go take the center of the world as the state wey get original culture and tradition. May we begin the year all the Ogbonge informate wey Osewinge Ero get to tell us for T Live Media Naija to carry better informate give una wetin una go dey expect for NAFEST 2019 wey wan shele from October 19 reach October 26.
My people, I salute you now. I want to thank you very much for this opportunity. T Live Media for the good work they do for our state. And people they call me for Bodo-Yibo, they say T Live Media everywhere. So I want to thank you very well. I salute my people. And this is an opportunity again to tell you now what Edo State government want to do for October, where they call National Festival for Art and Culture, NAFEST Edo 2019. As you rightly talk, you don't see the hand for everywhere. The billboard, our comrade buses, our cars, and everywhere. We say Edo people don't know, say this one must happen this time. And preparation they go on. Myself as the chairman for LOC, Local Organizing Committee, and permanent secretary, directors, and the ministry, plus all the strong, big hand. We will carry joints to make it, they come for us plan the event. We don't meet and put the door. So we already National Director General for National Council for Art and Culture. Me and they talk every day. So the preparation that they go on. And if you reach up our Keswa Cultural Center now, the contractor where you want clean them up, it don't start work. The people for Igu Street, they come here, we talk to them how we want to make sure say Igu Street they ready well for the event. Plus another matter, the museum, the creator for museum, a day here for us talk. Then the stadium, hopefully by the grace of God as I talk, say go ready, it don't reach 70% completion. We say we'll use the beautiful stadium where our government they build for the opening ceremony on the 19th and the closing ceremony. But again, if the stadium not ready, we will use Ogbonge Sport Complex. So many sponsorship don't they come, say they want support, they want to be part of it. Some come for branding, some come for how they'll take participate for it. So now work in progress. So I'm sure say by the end of this month, we will don't know all the format where we did, what we need to do and all that. So I think we did try. Well, I congratulate Lai Mohammed where they come for information and culture. He did 4 years with President Buhari. And now they bring and come back. I should say, Oga President, no say get work. We did there, we want to finish. So as Commissioner for Culture for Edo, we go write congratulations letter to Ram. Let her know the preparation how far we don't make for NAFEST, because now a ministry for federal be that, and work with the Director General. So as old hand for the matter. So I should say he go support us, we go work with them. to make sure say the NAFEST National Festival good well. I congratulate Lai Mohammed, I congratulate our son, Clemagba, and of course Dr. Ihanire, and all the ministers where be say President Buhari give a portfolio where they take work for Nigeria. So I congratulate all of them. You know, say we would relate to the community people. They get chief, the head of the Igu Guild, Chief Kingsley, in there. They get other major chief who we don't do meeting with. And to just block the road like that, not be easy thing. They get to day used to them. So we use Friday to practice them. So that we'll make sure say they know. They don't really know. All the interview I get now, they call me, they talk about NAFEST. They thank us, say government won't use a good street. So I don't tell them, say, what you want to do. The brand, we still look for sponsorship. People don't they tell us what thing they will fit do. So that they go fit brand a good street and paint them for us. So like I said, now work in progress. But the good street people don't already know, say, we'll go use that place. So the awareness, they don't tell their people what you want to do. We'll begin work on those Friday before the event itself. Thank you. First of all, the whole world don't know say what they do now first. The local government chairman don't know say they go lead their local government for opening and closing ceremony. They don't already know say the food competition we want to do for museum grant. Now 18 local government will give them cabin where they take stay. As I talk to you now, even the South-East local government chairman, he said their buses where they take they do transport, they want bring and make their brander. So at least that one will carry message go that side. And they wait for their next meeting, whether they call Jack meeting, all of them go gather. Governor don't already Christy make a come do presentation or how far we don't go with NAFEST and how they'll take get involved for the NAFEST program. However, I don't meet with their directors of social, head of department for their local government. They don't already get back to they prepare for the competition. So I mean, I'm not worried at all. And the LOC, local organizing committee, don't they reach out, my peers, my directors, don't they reach out to them to make sure, say, you know, they're ready for the NAFEST Matta. You know, so they only talk every building get foundation. Yes, the contractors don't go look at, not be small work, they work plenty. So, but they go start to do them, they do the cleaning. And when they start the major work, you know, we'll use them. They don't know, so we get limited time. And I don't tell the contractors, say, maybe they do inside, do the painting for outside, do the fence. So that once we do that 1 week, use that 1 week for NAFEST, they fit take break. And when we finish, they will continue. Because the work where they don't be work where they go do for even 3 months or 6 months. But however, we don't already put mine there, say we go use there. Governor don't agree to talk to the contractors, make they start work, they don't go look up. And it's work in progress. But I'll assure you and say, we will use that place for NAFEST. Because inside the electrification, the chairs, the painting, at least make it day conducive for people who want to come there. And the cleaning, because that place they live on for a very long time. And you know, say when you leave house where you know they enter, for a very long time, they spoil a lot of things. You know, the informant where the whole world get now not be small. They know say they don't ready to return their artifacts. As state government, we don't work whole dialogue meeting. There's this Benin dialogue group where Professor Akenzwa be chairman. We get Professor Yika Moregbe, the Attorney General as member. We get my friend, my brother, Enotie Ogbebo as member, plus other people where they there, and myself, Commissioner for Art and Culture, where we say they don't travel, go London, go Hague, go so many places for that matter. Everything a negotiation. And again, recently, the British people, British Museum, all the people where we say they get the artifact, all of them, they come Benin, where we say they come Benin, come talk plenty for Protea Hotel, and we host them too, so that na negotiation. And again, our governor don't ready to partner with Abba of Benin, you know, to take build Royal Museum, where they go put all those artifacts. The Nigerian ambassador to Germany, Ambassador Tuga, called me for years, say some Oyibo people thought say they want to return the artifacts, and they don't write to them. So I said, okay, when the time ready, we will go Germany, go meet them, and receive the artifact. So the most important thing I say, the awareness don't there. People don't know, say we need this artifact back. Everywhere you go, they talk about the artifact. So the ministry, the Benin Dialogue Group, the state government, the Palace of the Oba of Benin, and even the British people don't agree, say they go return them. So but we're now negotiation. work in progress as we talk about. We dey expect over 1 million to 2 million people will come for Benin that time, come our state. Everybody knows say they not go stay for government house or my house or your house. Now hotel they go stay. So we don't talk, we dey meet with them to continue to tell them how they don't ready to clean their hotel, they won't be part of them. Because at the end of the day, now they will be the major beneficiary for all this matter. Because their hotel room go full, they will get money to pay workers, they will get money to do a lot of things. And that's why you open business. Because they open the business to make sure the rooms they fill that period. And with all the plenty festival and activities where they happen for Edo now, they help them. So they're ready to support the government and they're ready to clean their hotels so that our people go see where sit down. So the hospitality business, not be only they will benefit. Our women where they cook, all the caterers, some of them don't come say they won't be part of it. Because what you want to do, we'll make sure say the 2 million people they go get food where they go eat. So we'll get cabin where we say we'll rent to them, where we say they go carry for small money, where they'll take care of all those ones, the people where they cook. So all those little things now to give the small, medium entrepreneurs support. Not be saying a big thing, all the government thing and everything say now only government and people will get money, now go be part of them. So one make sure say every small, medium scale people where they sell water. The other people where they do transport system too. The taxi drivers, the bus driver, everybody go benefit because at the end of the day, they go carry this people from one point to another. So now value chain benefit for everybody, And for us as government, not be say we dey expect the money back, but these people when they come here, they go spend the money for here. They go take transport, they go stay for hotel, they go buy water, they go buy sweets, they go buy food. So before you know, the money where they bring come go stay for the economy. It don't go follow, they go back. And when you bring 1 million people, spend 1,500 naira a day. By the time they spend 10 days here, you see say they don't already spend almost 1.5 billion. We be say go day for Edo economy. That's why it goes to the government, they support and they create an enabling environment and they do festival. So this is a very big thing for Edo, and by the grace of God, it will be one of the best. Because Edo not they carry last, Edo na the home of culture, Edo na where be say culture and heritage na second to none for the world. As I talk, and most time we want to do festival, the question people always ask is security. And they tell them say security problem now all over the world. Everybody, everywhere get security issue. And like I talk, by the grace of God, I don't get the opportunity to go America, go London. I know what they happen for that side. The bad thing where they happen for security for that side, it was past what they happen here. America, for example, you hear every time for news, one madman will your carry gun, kill 50 people, kill 500 people, kill innocent children. That one was past what they happen here. I've been out for London, where we say every day they will carry gun, knife, they stab people for street, they die. That one worse now. Thank God, so we not get that kind of problem for you. The one we'll get for you now, Shekele one. Yes, kidnapping day, armed robbery day, everything day, but it don't reduce. You see the way governor ready for security matter because the governor will get no say if you know hold security, all these investors where they bring come here no go fit come. Or if you know hold security, the tourism where would they talk, it not go possible. If we know hold security, festival where would they talk, not go possible. If we don't hold security, me will be said there, we don't go feed there, we will run. So because when you they look and everybody they fight, they stab you or they want to kidnap you, not go feed stay. But thank God, me I did drive 1 o'clock for night. I did drive 10 o'clock. My friends they come see me. For the past 3 years now, by the grace of God, not they think of those ones. Now let's small one they hear. And again, government no say security they very important. Now is established bicycle, where be say full everywhere. And the number they there, where we say we will play wait there for our website. Maybe say anybody where you can call that number within 10 minutes But basic and people don't deal with you gidigba. So those are the areas where they look at. However, I don't sit down with the commissioner of police. I sit down with the CSO, the chief security officer, and plus other security agents with a continuous meeting. How would they do? You know, say security matter not be waiting that they discuss for television. You only just they see say it they manifest everywhere they cooler. And again, what I want to promise my brothers and sisters, they say they go to enjoy for that period. They not even remember to commit crime because so many fun we go there. They go food go there, drink go there, visitors go there. So they not go even get time to commit crime because now I don't mind that they made that they go do what they do most of them. So that one day, so security issue now continuous meeting we go they meet throughout that period. They go there in charge of all the areas where we want use. Make sure say no crime at all. 2017 when we do Edo Fest for Ikpoba Hill, people call us, why they go Rama Park? That area too rough. I said no, we could go there. When I reach there, I call all the area youths. I give them t-shirts. I give them cap. I tell them, say this now what you want carry, come give them for here. 2 a.m. now when they leave Ikpoba Hill, they leave Rama Park, they come. For that 7 days period. Nobody fight one day. No motor, they not take motor. Nothing happen. So you say my people are very good people, now they be. So the visitors where they come Edo, they not made enough fear at all. Say they go get security issue. But however, we go there and stand by Gidigba. Anybody will make noise, and so they go pick and like fly. I don't tell commissioner of police, I don't want to see people wear uniform. I don't want to see police wear uniform because make people not go to panic saying police state, police state. No. But they go ready, they go hold their whatever they need to hold, they go wear colored mufti like us, enjoy with us. But anybody don't make them, and so they go pick them. Like fly, go keep them for Oko. So we're not going to take security issue lightly at all. You know, but however, make anybody not fear. We're there, okay, governor ready to take security issue seriously. Okay, NAFEST, they start on the 19th of October 2019. That be the opening ceremony. Where we say, and then from on the 17th, 18th, a lot of other states, the 35 states, they are member, plus Africa country, don't they come? So if you look at our website, www.nafest.edofest.ng. So there our website, most of the information is there for there. So when 19th, we'll do opening ceremony. Then on the 20th to the 26th, we'll get other activities for cultural center. But every evening, they go for Igun Street, where we say they get activities there. Activities go there for museum grant. Where the delegates goes there, we will keep them aside from one place with security as well. So 19th to the 26th will be a very good time and party for Benin. Our Oba, Omonoba Nedoko Apolopolo, Oba Eware the second Ogediga, Oba Atop where our Oba Sobi culture, he like culture where they support us well. So when I tell them say we want to do NAFEST for that period, Oba happy well because he said that time too, Ingo they do his 3rd year anniversary, Ingo they do his birthday on the 20th. So we can't choose one day with Otumba Aronso, where the Director General for National Council for Arts and Culture. We choose one day with the Oba, so we will celebrate our royalty day. So all the visitors where come Benin that period, we will go there for palace to celebrate, pay homage to Oba of Benin. So we go choose the date where rhyme, we go link up with the day where Oba get for palace so that it no go clash. So Oba is very happy. Say this, you know, for Benin days, go Oba make palace of Benin, Oba of Benin, they full with crowd, now be the joy. So this one where we say the whole world they come Benin that period, pay homage. Oba is very happy. We are happy with the palace. Some of the events are competitive events, some of them are non-competitive. The competitive one, each of the states where Congo participate, where we say the National Council they organize. The non-competitive one, I want to make sure say the visitors where come say they see our culture. So the planning committee they organize a sector where we say go take charge of tourism, and we'll put all the information for website. People who want visit tourist site will name the tourist site and get buses ready down where go take them there. Then the other event, the palace, for example, the palace, we will reach there, we will take off all the things because most of the people they come, they want to see our Oba, you know. So we'll make sure we arrange a meeting where we say they go visit the palace. Then the beautiful places for Benin museum where your governor don't put money to repair, they go visit museum. Plus other little place, Osemege Ebon Cultural Center, now one of the places we'll get for mind where people go visit. Then the heritage homes. all the Ogiame Palace, Ero Palace, those palaces for Benin, we will make sure say we arrange them, make people visit them, and you'll get curator where you go talk to them. So many things they will be say we will begin to unfold where the planning committee they arrange. They will fold them as time goes on. But any information we'll get, we'll make sure say they for a website, and anybody who want ask questions, make they reach out to us. But we want make sure say it is friendly for Edo. Make sure say Edo people, our small scale, medium scale people, where we say they sell crayfish, they sell water, they sell little things, make everybody benefit. Maybe I might enjoy you. And we'll take care of, make sure say we do accreditation. Not be every comer, everybody will just Waka Comm Cultural Center or Waka Comm Stadium or Waka Comm Museum Ground or Eagle Street, because we want to know who be who. We don't want to make say people who this guy say they be water seller can't carry something else come. So that's why the Red Ministry and the planning committee must make sure say they do accreditation for people who will enter restricted areas. So all those things make our people know and make them ready. And if they get any question or anything where they want to know, they go come ministry. The permanent secretary go there, somebody go there, we go attend to them, we go make sure say they document everything. So when we don't reach the final time, we will put everything together. We know say we don't carry many information where people go know. I did very impressed because when they come, they write letter to me, yes, make I go give governor. So make governor give them plenty million, make they invest for their product. I tell them, say no, make now they won't sell their product, now they get their product, make they look for money, now investment, and teach them business. Say make they look for money, take, arrange, produce maximum bronze this thing where they feed do. And I tell them, say at least 1 million people, 1.5 million people will come Benin that period. And that be the reason why government decide to choose that place as one of the venue for the event. So every evening, we'll get live band there, we'll get party for there, people will eat, they will drink. And of course, they don't hear too many about Eagle Street. So when they come, they will put money for pocket, they come buy some of those bronzes and those artifacts for there. So that's not the whole idea. So they go ready and they will get enough. So the way they do more, I can guarantee them, say, they go buy them. How about talk, hey?
My country people, I know say na year don full well with many information I don hear from the Honorable Commissioner for Arts, Culture, Tourism and Diaspora Affairs, Osaze Osewingero. Until wetin una go dey see for NAFEST 2019, wey wan sit down gidigba put for Edo State. As e be say e don give many clear and sharp one unto how dem wan take use Samuel Ogbonge their stadium, and the one wey be say dem go still use Eagle Street for many entertainment matter. And now una go still waka still jollificate for Obakenza Cultural Center wey go dey gidigba as the festival village for this one. And now the birthday and 3rd year anniversary of Omonoba Nedo Ukwu Apolopolo Oba Eware II, wey go take join body with NAFEST and everybody for Edo State.